Hi everyone, welcome to week 2 of the Foundation in Online Art Therapy. I'm so excited to let you know that this week we are covering websites. And I did a lot of research in terms of websites and a lot of ideas. And my website has also gone through a lot of transformations. So I'm excited to share some of the ideas that I worked through and things that allowed me to have the website I have today. So one of the first things you want to do when you're getting started is think about your domain name. And your domain name is your website name, where there are a number of factors where you should keep in mind when choosing your website name. People should be able to pronounce it fluently. It should also be as short as possible, free of complicated spelling, easy to remember. And these factors help to make your website more memorable to potential clients. So you want to select a domain name. I chose kateleopard.com, but you also might choose something like arttherapy.com. And one way that you can do to that is to go to the sites where you can buy them, and you can actually start to put them in and just see if they're available or not. And the thing that's going to happen is it's going to change, the price is going to change depending if you've got .com, .ca, .net. People try all different kinds of things. So it's really up to you to decide what's in your price point, what feels good, and then to take it from there. So you buy your domain name from any provider that you like. Ones that I can recommend are GoDaddy.com, Namecheap is also good. Also, sometimes they come free with a host if you choose who you're going to choose for your website. Check before to make sure that they haven't got it covered. So you can just Google them and see what's right for you. Then you want to choose someone to host your website. So my website is hosted by Weebly.com or .ca. And so I chose that because I really loved being able to drag and drop different elements and build the website myself. There's also Wix.com, which is very, very similar in the way that it works. And then also some people choose Bluehost, which is a site for WordPress. And the reason I don't use WordPress is because I find you do need a little bit of coding experience, or at least kind of quite a few hours of being able to understand how that works. And it might be really good for some people because it actually allows you to be a lot more creative. But for me, I just really wanted something that I could drag and drop.
So I also wanted to do a little update and share a platform that I have started to use, but also give you a little bit behind the scenes of what Weebly looks like, just so you can get a sense of like the possibilities for it. So I'm going to start by sharing the screen. So as you can see, this is my website. Many of you may be familiar with this. And yeah, so what we want with websites, and I'm going to go into this a little bit more in another video, but we want, a lot of people have a logo, but I really like to have this title page. So it's like actually telling you what is there. And so I did affordable online art therapy training, somatic education, and tools. And you can see I have my menu along the top, which is home, online therapy, free resources, online training for therapists, more, and also a login of when I was doing the courses via my website. And I've also got a video. As you can see, it's super easy. It's basically a drag and drop system. And so, if I want to do this in the title, I will just literally drag like this and drop that in. And then you just basically edit what you want to say. So it's very, very easy. You can do this for, images, as you can see, having a gallery, text, slideshow, contact forms, dividers. So very, very useful. So you can kind of get the idea of what it is that what you can do. What I wanted to show you is this next platform that I'm starting to use, which is called Systeme.io. And it's pretty amazing. You can actually sign up, and this is what I actually built this course on. And so I was able to create a sales funnel. As you can see over here, I've got courses. And you can see this is our foundation in online art therapy. And so it's very easy again. It's another drag and drop. As you can see, I'm working on the websites right now as I record this video. And so it's very similar. So again, you can put in videos. And so if I put in a video, I would just scroll down, I drag and drop this here. That's where the video will go. I can then click on it and then I will actually write whatever YouTube is, or I might even upload the file. So that can be very, very useful in terms of this. And yeah, so that's something I really wanted to show you of like how easy this platform is. And it's also very easy to set up a website actually on this. And you would do this. It's kind of a little bit of a strange kind of way of doing it, but you would actually create it as a blog, which comes here. So you can see I started one, but what you do is just come up here, click create. The cool thing about this is that actually you can do a lot for free. I think you can have one sales funnel, one website, but it's enough to get you started. As I said before, you need to have a domain name, which you will have registered. And then there is a way to actually put this on here. So people go to courses.kateleopard.com. And if I was creating a new one, I might just say, welcome, I might even home. You can preview the different templates. And just see. So for example, I can go over here and I can say, okay, well, what is this going to look like? And then you'll see it's already got a lot of like templates and things in, and maybe that's a good fit for you, maybe it isn't. But it's a very simple and easy way to get your website started. So I just wanted to give this as an option as well before we go into branding.